Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel, whichever it may be. But today we're going to keep working on Crusty here. Last video we put on the drop spindles and springs, and we got some clearance issues, so I'm going to jag it back up and see what we need to grind down to get this thing to turn. And hopefully we can get the cab mounts on. I don't know, we'll see. Might be able to get it started anyway, so. Well, let's get started. As you've seen, I had to use 2 jacks because the truck's too low to get the jack. It won't fit up under the cross member where it's so low. But anyways, so now I gotta grind a little bit off of this. You can see there's plenty of meat there to grind off a little for clearance. That thing is super close. It's almost touching. It looks like it's touching, but it ain't. So we gotta grind a little bit of that. This side ain't as bad. We do got clearance all the way around that one. I don't know what the difference is. I guess just the way they made it. That one looks pretty good, I guess. Really don't have to do nothing with that. Under there we got probably a 1/4 inch of clearance. So that's might be good. Unless I go around the corner real hard. Comes in. Yeah, let's turn the wheel side to side and see what, if we got any more clearance issues we need to address. Alright, it's super close right there. I don't know if it's touching or not, but it's really close. So yeah, I'll probably grind a little bit of that corner off right there. I hear something hitting. I say we probably have to grind both sides a little bit. This side and this side. On both sides of the truck. So let's get the grinder out and go ahead and grind those off. I think I got it. It's a good 1/4 inch all the way around now. And I did grind all the way around this thing. Just took off just a little bit. and this little drip rail thing. Had to grind some of it off on this side and that side. Let's see if I can spin this thing. Good. Hopefully that's enough. I guess we'll find out when we go test drive it. If it starts grinding on anything, we just have to bring it back and grind her down again. I feel like that's gonna be good. Excuse me. So let me go ahead and I'll go ahead and knock out the other side, and then we'll try to get started on these cab mounts. Just got done with this side. You can see where I ground that down. So we got plenty of room in there. Of course, I had to grind both sides of this A-arm just like we done on the other side. So everything should clear now. So now we'll start on these cab mounts. If anybody's ever done these cab mounts before, you'll know that they either come out or it's going to be a freaking nightmare. Sometimes what it is the cab mounts right here, there's a bolt that goes up into the floor and there's a nut in there, and if it's seized up and you try to take it out, that nut starts spinning in the floor, then you have to cut holes in your floorboard to get to that nut. So hopefully we don't have to do that, but we'll see. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Here's the body mounts. I bought these from LMC. And I got the body mounts and the hardware kit because some of these are rusted out on my truck. So we bought those. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a little paint on these before we put them on. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that first. Alright, while we're waiting on the paint to dry on those pieces there, we'll go ahead and see if we can get these bolts out. Yeah, not looking good. I'm trying to work this thing back and forth. It's moving just slightly. I don't know if the bolt's actually loosening up or that nut inside here is turning. I'm not sure yet. But I guess I'm just going to keep working it back and forth here and see what happens. Well, here we go. It broke off of there. So we're going to have to do it the hard way. I'm going to have to drill holes in the floor to get to those. Well, to get to this one anyway. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and try out the other ones and see where we get. I tried a couple other ones. The one on the passenger side there is spinning in the floor. The back one on the driver's side is spinning in the floor too, so I didn't even try the other one because we're just gonna have to cut the floor out anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it to all of them. I don't have time today to do all that, so I'm just gonna throw the wheels back on this, clean up my mess here. But yeah, I guess next time we'll jump on that and start cutting the holes in the floor. My plan here, I'm gonna try to measure it out just right, hopefully, and I'm gonna try to drill me out a big enough hole to get to that nut. And they sell little plugs, and I'll probably just plug it with little plastic plugs. But yeah, I just don't have time to do it today, so I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.